Solar energy is the most readily available, environmentally friendly, renewable energy source. Solar technologies are unique in that they offer a wide range of applications in solar photovoltaic and solar thermal energy. The resulting heat can be used for domestic and industrial applications as well as for power generation. Kuwait is a sunny country with plenty of sunshine throughout the map and a high number of sunny days a year. Kuwait is in the sun zone with the longest sunshine hours compared with most countries in the world. Building a solar power plant with a capacity of 1,500 MW in Kuwait would require a significant investment in the infrastructure, equipment, and personnel needed to construct and operate the facility. Some key considerations would include securing land and permits. A large area of land would be needed to accommodate the solar panels and other equipment. The project would also require various permits and approvals from the Kuwaiti government. Financing. The cost of building a 1,500 MW solar power plant would be substantial, and funding would need to be secured from investors, banks, or other sources. Design and engineering. The plant would need to be designed and engineered to withstand the harsh environmental conditions in Kuwait, such as high temperatures and sandstorms. Having a solar panel production plant located next to a solar power generation plant can have several benefits, including cost savings. By having both the production and generation facilities located close together, transportation costs for both raw materials and finished products can be reduced. Increased efficiency. The close proximity of the two facilities allows for easier coordination and communication between the production and generation teams, which can lead to more efficient and effective operations. Reduced environmental impact. Having the production and generation facilities located next to each other can help to minimize the environmental impact of transportation and logistics. Job creation. Having a solar panel production plant in the area can create new jobs for residents and can also help to stimulate economic growth. Increased reliability. The close proximity of the production and generation facilities allows for better control and maintenance over the entire solar energy system, increasing reliability and reducing downtime. While the most efficient solar panels on the market today have efficiencies as high as 23%, most panels are between 15% and 20%. Our immediate goal: find a capable investor and facilitate building Kuwait Debdeba's power production plant. Fund and build a local panels production plant. Become the local panels suppliers. We provide solar modules rental systems for rural and smaller consumers, long-term leasing to large industrial consumers, power by the hour to industrial consumers, which includes the supply and maintenance of batteries and backup generators when necessary, life cycle replacement systems, which will ensure that consumers always have the latest technology. Our targeted quality specifications: elevated temperature above 125 degrees Celsius, continuous. Long service life, 100% recyclable. Higher yield, in 30 years over 50%. More power than common modules. PID free, anti-soiling, sandstorm resistance, anti-reflex. Our competencies: innovation, generating valuable ideas and creative ways to run the business or to develop new or improved products, processes, or services. Leadership, lead the market by finding new opportunities and applying business strategy. Market focus, knowledge of the market forces affecting our business and customers. Finding customers' needs and values. Fine-tuning products and services to meet the market needs faster and better than anyone else while keeping the economic profit. With us, Kuwait is embarking on a new national project to build a 1.5 gigawatt power generation plant and a 200 megawatt solar panels production plant. This initiative represents a major step forward for the country in terms of energy production and sustainability, and will bring many benefits to the people of Kuwait. The 1.5 megawatt power generation plant will be a state-of-the-art facility designed to meet the highest standards of efficiency and reliability. It will be equipped with the latest technology. One of the key benefits of the project is the creation of jobs for the people of Kuwait. The construction and operation of the power generation plant and the solar panel production facility will require a significant number of skilled workers, from engineers and technicians to manual laborers. This will provide a much-needed boost to the local economy, helping to reduce unemployment and support economic growth. Another benefit of the project is the opportunity to attract international experts, technology, and consultants. By working with leading organizations in the energy sector, Kuwait will be able to tap into the latest advancements in technology and best practices in energy production. This will help to ensure that the power generation plant and solar panel production facility are designed and operated to the highest standards, maximizing their efficiency and reliability. In addition, the project will also bring a number of environmental benefits. By increasing the amount of renewable energy generated in the country, Kuwait will be reducing its carbon footprint and contributing to the global effort to address climate change. The solar panel production facility will also support the development of the local solar energy industry, helping to increase the country's self-sufficiency and reduce its dependence on imported energy. Overall, the national project to build a 1.5 gigawatt power generation plant and a 200 megawatt solar panels production plant is a major step forward for Kuwait, offering significant benefits in terms of job creation, economic growth, technology advancement, and environmental sustainability. The country is poised to make great strides in energy production, and this project is sure to play a key role in its success.